Hey guys, X Pyro here. I'm coming with my 2017 4th of July fireworks stash. And I want to say that first of all, I got everything from Krazy Kaplans Fireworks. Most of the stuff is buy one, get one free. So yeah, let's get right into it. First thing is God Bless America Super Fireworks Assortment. So you can see some of the stuff it has. And then, since I went by one get one free, you can mix and match. I got this assortment. Then I got 2 crosses of bottle rockets. You can see one is open since couldn't resist blowing some up. Leftover smoke box. And I got these 3 for $25. 6 ball shell cannons. And your standard 2-hour pucks. So I'm gonna go through some of the stuff on the assortments here. This one has a couple of rockets, Roman candles, and some small cakes. Whoa. And this one has like some cakes, the happy cakes, crazy snappers, a lot of stuff. These are open. But yeah, that's my 4th of July fireworks stash for 2017, guys.